Guys, we are getting flooded again here in eastern Kentucky. God bless my people. Lord have mercy. They are still calling for a lot of rain this weekend. And God bless our little town of Neon. It always floods so bad. And you know, they've been trying to fix this little town up, and it was looking really good. Look right here, folks. I want y'all to look.
They covered up.
Look. Folks, now this is what we deal with right here in Letcher County. This is Neon, Kentucky. You can see where the creek is caressing right there. They just redone all these storage buildings. And they are calling for this all week long. So this is not the end of it at all. They have town completely blocked off, Al. Because you can't get through. It's completely flooded. You can see right here where it's already piled garbage up. Lord help us. Lord have mercy, Alfred. God bless my town. Right here's King's Body Shop again. God bless them people. Them are really good friends of ours right here.
Oh,
You know, Alfred, we had that flood in 22 that wiped everything out. Us, everybody around us, or the surrounding area and then county. It's horrible. And it's still calling for such bad weather. I don't know where the water's going to go. It's just everywhere again. But our little people in our town tries to stick together. That's a good thing, ain't it, honey?
Mm-hmm.